Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the present perfect to talk about an action that happened sometime before now, before the time of speaking. Have a look first of all at this sentence. You'll see a verb in brackets. Can you put in the third form, the past participle of that verb in this sentence? Have you the car? Have you the car? What's the third form of the verb in brackets, wash? Have you washed the car? Ed ending, washed, with a t sound, because it's an unvoiced sh. No voice, so the ending is a unvoiced t. Have you washed the car? One more? Okay. You haven't very much. You haven't very much. Verb in brackets is eat. What's the past participle? The third form of eat. You haven't eaten very much. An irregular verb. Eat, et, eaten. You haven't eaten very much. Let's do one more. Look at this sentence. They've a new supermarket. Verb in brackets is open. What's the third form? The past participle of open. They've a new supermarket. They've opened a new supermarket. Excellent. English grammar, piece of cake. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.